This is N9TTK showing my N3ZN QRP portable key. I take this around with me for Parks on the Air, and I'm going to take it to Bon Air next month for the ARRL International DXCW. And I'm going to do a Parks on the Air activation as well. So I didn't want the cord dangling, so I 3D printed this surround. It goes all the way around it. It's got this little jack. It takes a 1/8 inch or a 3.5 millimeter, whatever you want to call it, and I'll just show you the bottom side of it. Basically, it's got a little cubby hole, and it's just a slip fit. There's no bolts or anything. You can see little tabs right here that keep it from going up too far, and it's just a slip fit, but it fits really nicely, doesn't move around. I think it'll be a nice addition to the key.